Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Cash App banned my device. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Cash App can ban or block a device when it detects unusual activity, such as suspicious logins, blacklisted device IDs, or phones that are rooted or jailbroken. It can also happen if you're using VPNs, proxies, or have violated their terms of service. Sometimes it's even a false positive, so don't panic. First, check your email and SMS connected to your Cash App account. Then disconnect from any VPN if you are connected, because sometimes VPN cause this issue. Next, make sure your Cash App and phone's operating system are both fully updated. Outdated app versions can trigger security errors and result in temporary device bans. Once updated, restart your device and open Cash App again to see if the restriction is lifted. If it's still not working, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to make sure it's not a network issue. Cash App's servers are very sensitive to unstable or shared connections, so always use a secure and consistent one. Now, if the problem continues, the next step is to contact Cash App support. From there, you can start a chat with their team or request a callback. One of these steps should fix the banned device problem on your Cash App account. Always keep your app updated, avoid using VPNs, and ensure your phone is not rooted or jailbroken. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Cash App banned my device. So that's all for this video. Thanks.